Anita did to the side. This guy didn't do it. So Anita, let's go here. Look. That's always right. That's to the other side, right?
How much do you like that set to be just a change weight very close or a side step?
Oh, that depends what you're gonna create. I mean, stop there. To be analyzed in different areas. So analyze in different areas, right? Look. So we start here, right? So I'm gonna create this. Maybe I just catch here. Right? Maybe, right? Maybe I can catch it before, maybe not, right? But the main idea is you have this is a single axis charm, right? So I create the opposition here, and now here this is a single axis charm, right? So I just rotate it. The other movement that we're doing by now, I am not. Yeah, when I pivot in this, doesn't matter how much I pivot in, I go out again. Yeah, entonces yo sí que I am not going from here hasta desacada, ta-da-da. Yeah, when after this desacada, I accommodate myself, and I going out again. And I stay in the same spot very much, but I very much I'm waiting, right? I waiting to any line. A clear beginning. I sustain, and I say, okay, we're going out to the line again. Yeah, I don't stay inside the same box, right? After the sacada, I could choose, because what happened to you, right? You choose to stay in the same box. Entonces, she's doing this, right? Me, I do the sacada, I get out, I'll put it this way. I start the movement. Let me analyze the sacada, where I do the sacada. Hold on. So I'm inside the box. The sacada is outside the box right now. And I put myself again inside the box. Right? My sacada is outside the box, and I come back inside the box. Outside the box, and I come back inside the box. And I can choose how much I want. I can go here if I need. Right. Depends how much I rotate is where I'm gonna go, but I choose in the line of dance where I'm gonna navigate. Do we see it? He fell asleep. Oh no.
Out of the box.
With the sacada out of the box. Hey, we put it. Okay, if you put it that way, I see the opposite. You see the opposite, right? You can do what you want. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Look, you have one line. One part is in that side, and the other one is in this side of the line, right? Okay. One is one side of the line. Is like you are in the border of something, right? So you go in this side of the line you do this, and the other side of the line you do that. Right? That's what you pass in the line. So but you not do pa pi di. Everything is in the box. Okay. Try to do the same this game. But that was the idea originally, right? So we go into the movement, we're doing this. So I can do the sacada and keep it on in place. You see that by now I am outside of the line on this side. Whatever that was going there is no longer there. So we start here, right? You can take a choice to make it one full chunk, right? If you want it. Because in this one, when you do the opposition back, like in amague, you have to come back quickly. To do the sacada. Wait, right? To be getting into the wrap, right? To welcome back to the other side, to the right chunk, right? So you have it. 1, 2, 3. You can do the full chunk. Round and opposition. Come back. Yeah, and the summer no movement. Display, right? I don't want to display now just because I want to get to the movement. I could display right now, right? But I'm gonna go in cross system. I come back to the palette and take it. I can go back there and come back to the side if I need. Yeah, you see?